Hi, I'm David Hancock, Chief Analyst here at Omdia. I deal with cinema mainly, and here to talk to you today about cinemas and streaming. One of the things I'm most often asked is, does streaming kill cinemas? And I think I'd just like to clear up a few myths about that. No, the short answer is streaming doesn't kill cinemas. In fact, they're not really the same thing. Cinemas don't really compete with streaming. Cinemas out of home, streaming's in home. Movie watching is, yes, they're both places to watch movies, but movie watching begets movie watching. If you watch it somewhere, you'll watch it somewhere else. Look at VHS, look at DVD. They both worked symbiotically with cinema and created a movie-going culture, and streaming does the same thing. So it's not an either or. People that go to the cinema also stream. People that go to the cinema also actually game. They also are transactional in terms of what they buy on TVs. So the people that don't go to the cinema are the people that don't stream and don't game. So we talk about the same people who stream, who go to the cinema, who game. They are active consumers of entertainment, whether it's in-home or out of home. Streamers and cinemas, well, we have a mixed bag in terms of how they view cinemas. Apple, F1, I think we know all about F1. The film, $630 million worldwide globally. That was a pretty good result. Up until then, it had been fairly lukewarm on cinema. That's probably changed its mind about how to use cinemas as a massive global cultural event. That's what cinemas are very good at. They're putting things out there, getting space, getting marketing attention. Look at Amazon. Amazon's recently started a global theatrical distribution network. They aim to make 16 films a year for theatrical release by 2027. So they've really gone down a theatrical route. That'll end up on Amazon Prime. Of course it will. That's part of the point of making movies. But it also will fuel what they do in the rest of their business. Netflix, well, there's the outlier. They haven't really enjoyed cinema in the past few years. In fact, they've been actively against the business model of cinema. But they've just put a bid in for Warner Brothers and committed to the theatrical window if they do win that contract. They also have two cinemas, incidentally. They bought two cinemas for awards and for attention. So Netflix understands cinemas. They have limited releases in cinemas. They use it as well for marketing, but they don't particularly want to be in cinemas themselves. But I think that streamers need cinema. I think that cinemas need streamers. They both coexist and they both need each other. What cinemas do very well is give you a personal space, a private space to engage. So a lot of films now are about fandom. Look at Wicked, for example. People dress up, go to the cinema. You can't do that at home, not with the same sort of impact. So when you need a space, an outlet to engage with people, to enjoy yourself, and people want to come together, we're human beings, after all. We have a social need. Cinema is the perfect way to do this. So in my view, if cinemas didn't exist, streamers and everyone else would need to invent them. Here at Omdia, we cover these subjects regularly. Cinema, streaming forms the core of what we do in media and entertainment. If you'd like more information on these subjects, please get in touch.